What if I told you that you don't have to break the bank to get a glowing, youthful skin? Well, if nothing has worked for you so far, don't just give up. Have you tried this powerhouse serum?
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so.
Hi family, my name is Joanna and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to share this ancient remedy with you. So let's jump in. Our star ingredient for this serum is rice. Did you know that countries like Japan, Korea have long used rice water as a beauty secret? Well, rice is packed with vitamin B, vitamin E, amino acids, and antioxidants, which brightens the skin, reduces inflammation, and promotes elasticity. It's no wonder why rice is such a big deal in skincare. Our next ingredient is fennel seeds. I really don't see many people talk about this. I don't know why, but these seeds, these tiny seeds, are a powerhouse for your skin. It's loaded with antioxidants, zinc, and selenium, which helps reduce fine lines, soothe inflammation, and improve skin texture. If you have been looking for a natural way to calm and rejuvenate your skin, fennel seeds are a must. There's no two ways about this. Now we need to grind the rice and the fennel seed into a fine powder. This helps release all the nutrients. Now let's add hot water to the mixture to set it aside to steep for a couple of hours or overnight if you have the time. This step is key for drawing all the goodness from the ingredients. As it rests, you will notice the water will change color. That's the magic happening. While the rice and the fennel mixture is resting, let's prep our cucumber. I used organic cucumber. I'm washing it with salt anyway to remove toxins and pesticides, if any. You just have to be safe. Cucumber is a natural skin soother, rich in water content and vitamin C and vitamin K. Cucumber helps calm irritated skin, reduce puffiness, and hydrate your skin deeply. I grated the cucumber to extract all its juicy goodness. In fact, cucumber is a popular ingredient in skincare for its cooling and hydrating properties. Cucumber is also gentle, versatile, and effective for all skin types, making it an essential ingredient in DIY skincare recipe. Now that the rice and fennel mixture has steeped beautifully, you can see the nutrient-rich water ready for action. We now have to strain it to remove the residue.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs.
Combine the rice, the fennel water, and the grated cucumber and blend into a smooth consistency, and strain it again using a strainer and a cheesecloth to ensure the serum is silky smooth.
This really happening, I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure. One day I'll be yours again.
To give our serum the perfect consistency, I'm adding aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is the natural hydrator that suits the skin. It reduces redness and helps with healing. Plus, it thickens the serum just enough to make it easy to apply. Now, let's add olive oil. It's optional, but why not? If you have dry skin, this oil is a must. Olive oil has been known as liquid gold for centuries. Olive oil is a skincare hero. Blend the mixture together to ensure the serum has a smooth and silky texture. Finally, let's enhance the serum with these two essential oils: lemongrass and eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil is deeply soothing, great for reducing inflammation, and leaves a refreshing feel on the skin. While lemongrass is known for its antibacterial and antifungal properties, it helps keep acne at bay while toning the skin. Add few drops of each, mix together, and voila, our serum is complete. I would highly recommend that you add few drops, like 5 drops each, because you don't want to overuse essential oils. Transfer your serum to a clean glass bottle with a dropper for easy application.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing.
Oopsie! Apply 3 to 4 drops to your face or onto a cotton after cleansing your face. Massage gently in an upward motion and use it morning and night for best results. Please store this serum in the fridge for up to 10 days since it's made with fresh ingredients. The cooling application will also feel amazing on your skin. And here you have it, a natural nutrient-packed serum made right at home. If you love this DIY skincare and want more recipes like this, please give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. Until next time, stay glowing and radiant, and save money by doing all these remedies at home. Take care, and I'll see you in my next one.
Blessings come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from